video, and in this video we are going to learn about headers and paragraphs in HTML. So this is the continuation of our HTML and CSS tutorial series or basically course. So first let's open the folder. I will click on folder and HTML. So this is the previous file that we had created in which we learned about basic syntax and the layout of the HTML file. So I'm going to open the live server which I had made you install in the previous class. So first of all, I'll remove the hello world, and as you can see, nothing has been shown here. And now here in the body tag, now you know that there are HTML tags which is like this, started by an uh, opening an angular bracket, then typing the tag name and then closing it by the closing angular bracket. And the same way it has a closing tag which is the same, but before the name of the tag there is a slash. So as I told you before, there are some exceptions, so which we will learn about them in later videos. And there were two more extensions that I had made to install. That was auto rename tag and HTML snippet. Okay, I hope that you would have installed it. And today I will tell you about those extensions and about headers and paragraphs also. So first, let's see how to use the HTML snippets extension. Like basically, if you don't have this extension, how would you have to type this? And then bracket, then type any tag name like h1, and then close it like this. But with this HTML snippets tag, you can use, you can just type a tag name, and here you can see the option that says emit abbreviation. You can directly click on it or press enter, and as you can see, it is automatically uh, uh, open and close the tag, and now in between this tag you can type anything you want like this. Now this h1 tag is basically the uh, tag that I want you to learn in this video. So there are headers. The headers are, you must know it that they are used for creating headings and all that. So like if you have used Word, you know what a header is very nicely. So if I use an header tag and type header, oh wait, header, as you can see, it is in bold. And without any tags in normal, I have closed the tag, and below that I'm typing header. Oh wait, caps lock is on. As you can see, this is the normal font of this. So as you can see, header makes a huge difference. Now you might be thinking, why do we add one element of H? We can understand H, that H stands for header. But why do we add one element of it? Because there are 6 types of headers in this whole HTML language. But other is H2, other H3, another H4, and as you might H5 and H6. So here if I type header, instead I will copy this header to this header 3, header 4, header 5, and finally header 6. As you can see how small it gets. This is the header 1, largest, header 2, little bit smaller, header 3, more smaller, header 4, more smaller, header 5, more smaller, and header 6 the smallest. And header 6 is probably even smaller than the normal font without any tags. Yes, it is probably smaller. Even header 5 is smaller than that. So you see that there are so many types of triggers. Now there is a P tag. P, as you can see, the P stands for paragraph tag. So I will type P, press enter, as you can see. Now, first of all, before that, I will tell you how to use this auto rename tag. Auto rename tag extension. Like this, I have installed it. Now, let's say if you have without auto rename tag, I will disable it for right now and I will reload it as you can see. Now, without auto rename tag, if you have typed like I have already typed body tag, but if you type body tag once again, and I didn't want to use this body, and by mistake instead of Y, I typed T. Now, how would I have to fix it? I would have fixed it with T here once and replace it with Y. And there is auto tag, and there is another extension. I don't remember the name, but because of it, it automatically renames. So first for that, what I will do, uh, I will tell you. Okay, I cannot find the extension right now, which is enabling this. But if, like, say, if there's T here, and if you by mistake type T like this, and if you want to replace it, Y, and auto enable, it is enabled. Now with this auto rename tag, what you can do is you can edit these both tags at the same time. So as you can see, without auto rename tag, you have to change it one by one. But with auto rename tag, you can change it both at once. Okay, so this is how you use auto rename tag. Now let's get back to our main motive of the video, that is headers and paragraphs. So let's say if you want to write a paragraph like this. And one more feature I want to tell you about this HTML snippets, that if you type Lorem, uh, Lorem, which is used basically used to sample text and any number like this, I will type 8. So 8 means 8 words and Lorem means that Lorem sample text and 8 words. If I press enter, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 words are typed. Now if I type once again Lorem 30, and there are 30 words here. Now for paragraph like this, Lorem 30, wait, sorry, and make sure that there is no space between the Lorem and 30. Now let's say that this is our paragraph. Wait, I I need to study because I reloaded last server, so it automatically started. Now from here, let's say first of all I will enable toggle word wrap. Word wrap is basically used for wrapping the word, as you can see, and it will you will not need to scroll it. Now let's say if I want to add another paragraph, so what I will do, I will press enter and type and again load and 20, if it will be of 20 words. But I noticed something. It is joining again, but I want it to be in different paragraph. How do you do this? Well, for doing this, what you need to do is type a paragraph in a paragraph tag, which is basically P tag. I will create a paragraph tag and inside it I will type lorem 34, 34 words, and in the next paragraph I will type lorem 21, it is a 21 words. As you can see, it has started from another line. So this is how you use paragraph tags. They are used to create new paragraphs. If you are typing in another paragraph, then they are used to new paragraph. So I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Please like and subscribe our channel and share this video to other friends who want to learn HTML as well. Thank